Well, it's nice and early here as I record this video in Salt Lake City, right below lovely Mount Olympus. All right, your buddy Cory Draper here. Am I having a good morning or not? You know, it's a good morning when you wake up. You can't complain. If you wake up, everything is kind of downhill from there, all right? I've done my shower, shampoo, brushed my teeth, and then I'm just like, I get to the studio and I'm like, God, is there an aquarium? Did I install like a fish aquarium or a lake inside the studio, like literally outside the door here? And I'm like, I don't think I did. There's like electronics and chairs and office equipment and electronics and electronics and electronics, 7 computers to be exact. I turn on the lights and there's probably 100 to 200 gallons of water all over the floor. And I just go, oh, this is just, I'm so not mad. This is okay. Can I really speak what I want to say on this video without being censored? Sometimes it's not a good morning. It's just an okay morning. And that's what I'm doing right now. All right, I was going to make some video and do some voice work and make some coffee. And this is what I've been doing. Thank goodness I have a bunch of towels inside my car outside. These are my car wash towels. I do enjoy them. I buy them at Walmart for about $4 or $5 a piece. And right now they are completely drying my studio up. This is all brand new carpeting, by the way, all brand new walls, brand new everything. And boy, this is a great day. I'm not upset at all. This this is just the life of it's just life. What can I say? This is what it is. I hurry and tore out the cabinet. This is a sump. The water's coming up here. So this is draining and this is supposed to shoot it, I guess, outside the building. I guess I'm not a plumber, but believe it or not, this is all brand new. The last couple days, I've had plumbers here tearing apart everything. They did this 100% brand new, and it 100% doesn't work. And I can only imagine how much it cost. Okay. I've got more collectibles and stuff in here than I care to admit. And I've never ran so fast and put towels down. And this was just tons of water. It's soaping up. These are towels underneath towels. There's about 15 towels here, believe it or not. One's underneath the other and the other here, and then it lines out over here. So, yeah, good morning. I'm so not pissed that I'm going to start off the day with an energy drink instead of a coffee because I don't have time to make coffee. I'm too mad. I'd rather make a video and whine like a baby on my videos here. Okay, how's it going? Did you guys do some promoting? Did you go to Facebook and maybe put on some posts, maybe do some emailing? Did you go to Nowsite and get some nice Gmail addresses and Facebook links and look at people, see if they're having fun, posting their own opportunity? And are they into hiking and biking and just outdoor things? Because that's what I do. I just like to see, life out there going on besides plumbing and getting towels and mopping up everything. I'm not mad because 3 years ago, this whole floor got leveled by a flood. Okay, it was fixed. A week later, it happened again. I lost almost everything entirely in this building and the 1, 2, 3 other rooms around here, but I'm not mad at all. $13,000 of damage, but who's counting? So anyway, let's talk about live good, feeling good, rocking and rolling all night, partying every day, waiting for the plumbers to come. I'm going to put this webcam on and you'll probably hear me talk because the plumbers are going to be right outside this door. Okay, because all the towels that I just showed you is around 10 feet outside the door. And you'll hear me. And it won't be like, oh, good morning. How are you guys? I know you tore up the building, but, no big deal. I'll just look. Good to see you. By the way, can you fix everything? That'd be nice. Okay, it only took 4 days to put it all in, and now here you're back again on a Monday. But I'm, cheers. I will still post with a purpose. Nothing is going to get me down when it comes down to presenting this opportunity of live good. Even if there's plumbing problems or if my leg falls off, I might have to go to the hospital and reattach it with some glue. But I just want to show you I'm dedicated here with a smiling face as the webcam is on. Once it's off, the real me comes out. Asshole. Really pissed off. Kind of massive asshole, Bo. That's pretty much what I'm going to turn into, but in a nice way. No, I'm not. Anyway, good morning. And if you're posting, I hope you got some responses. Did you get some pre-enrolls? Maybe did someone sign up? I just had a lovely lady. Her name is Pam. And she got a hold of me. God, Pam, if you're watching this, what, a week or two ago? And she was having some struggles just trying to pay and to get her either debit card or credit card to go through. And she's in a country that's not as easy as where I live in Salt Lake, where, I can basically go down to my bank, and if there's a problem, I can probably work it out just probably in 10 or 15 minutes with one of the tellers or the people in the office, on the side of the telling area there. But the telling, is that what it's called? If you're a teller, if you're a bank teller, you have to tell jokes. But I'm glad. When I woke up this morning, I saw someone joined, and I couldn't see a pre-enroll. I just, today is, let's see, 8/28, and it came in on 8/27, and I was just going, okay, well, who came in? But usually when someone signs up, and I get sign-ups usually just about every day, and it's easy. You just scroll to the bottom of your, let's say your referral or your team, just click on one of your links and scroll to the bottom, and you kind of see when people join, it kind of goes from the bottom up. And God, I'm looking all over going, God, I wonder if there's a computer error. Should I get hold of support and go, hey, support? It shows that I had a sign-up. And then all of a sudden, bam, I saw Pam. And Pam, you know what? Your name is so exotic. I don't have any idea how to pronounce it, but her last name has 4 vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Her last name has 4 in a row. And I don't even think there's it's a wild last name, Pam. I don't know how to say it. And it's way exotic. If you lived here in America, no one has your last name. Okay, that is for sure. But I'm glad to see you aboard. I was so excited because she wrote me so many times. She's like, I'm excited. I want to join. I just got to get my banking in order. And I said, God, I can only do so much. All I can tell you is we have e-wallet and BitPay. We do take cryptocurrency. We take Visa card, prepaid. We even do the cards where you don't have to do the 4-digit PIN on the back. You know what I'm talking about? And she's like, nope, I'll get it. Don't worry about it. And man, here it is a week or two later. And Pam, she is in the family. So good job, Pam. Even though I got some plumbing problems here, I will get over it. And I'm going to focus on you, send you a nice welcome letter. And I want to give you some of the training and all the setup stuff that I recommend you do. It's all free, by the way. And if anyone signs up at my downline, you get a bunch of stuff. It's just advice, tips, maybe some tricks, things that I've learned or my friends have learned. I've been in 5 months, and I'll be platinum. I'm close. I just got to have a handful of people sign up, and then I can qualify as platinum, and that's exciting. That's over 100 people in your frontline group and 500 total, and it still blows me away. So I'm pretty happy about that. Life's pretty good, even though you might have plumbing problems, okay? And I'll get over it. I'm just smiling right now, but once I turn the camera off, instant butthole. I'm going to turn into a big one. Okay, you guys, if you want to join LiveGood, just go to joincory.com, okay? Pretty simple. Just follow the link, okay? It's going to go to a capture page. You're going to have a guy pointing. Fill in your name and email address real quick, okay? Watch the video in the middle. There's a big old play button. Just watch it. It's 6 minutes long. It's our CEO, Ben. Talks about our opportunity and what's going on. Does it real well. It goes really fast, actually. It's pretty cool. And then after that, go to livegood.com. Check out the website. You want to go to the products, all right? Shop around. Check out our ingredients and just look at the products. See if they're for you. There's a wholesale price, retail price. If you want wholesale, man, it's only $9.95 a month. Pretty good deal. And on top of that, you can go ahead and be an affiliate. So you guys go ahead and check it out. Okay, be right back. Bye.